I'm going to show you how I use Canva and YouTube automation to make money online without showing my face. And this won't work for everyone, especially for people who don't take the time to understand the full process before clicking off. I'm simply showing you the exact system, how it works, and how beginners are using it right now. The idea is simple. You create a digital product once using Canva, then use YouTube automation to send people to it on autopilot. You don't need experience, you don't need an audience, and you don't need to show your face. Let me show you step by step. First, pull out your phone and create a free account on Canva. Once you create your account, you'll land on this page. From here, search for ebook templates. Canva will show you hundreds of templates. Some are paid, but you also see many free ones that are easy to edit. Scroll until you find the one you like and click on it. Let's choose this one as an example. Now, this is where most people get stuck because they don't know what to write or how to write it. So now go to ChatGPT and type this. Create a full $50 ebook about self-care for entrepreneurs. Make it extremely beginner friendly and make sure it's written in a unique way. You can replace self-care for entrepreneurs with any topic you like or know a little about. And if you don't know anything about the topic, don't worry, I got you. Once ChatGPT finishes writing the ebook, you'll notice something interesting. It gives you the title, the outline, the full content. As you can see, ChatGPT does everything for you. Believe it, I have students who have generated over 100,000 in just 90 days by following this exact step. So if this is helpful so far, like this video to support me. I just started this new channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want more video like this. Now simply copy and paste what ChatGPT wrote into Canva ebook template. Edit it to match the design. And if you don't want to create or edit anything yourself, don't worry, I'll show you how to bypass all of this boring stuff in just 2 minutes. So stay with me. Once you finish, click export and download the ebook to your phone. Next, open your phone browser and search for Beacons AI. Create a free account and choose URL for your page. This will be your website. This is how we are going to get paid with the digital product we created on Canva. Once you log in, click the button at the bottom that says product. Add the name of your digital product. You can copy and paste the title directly from ChatGPT. Add an image, a description, and a price between $29 and $79. Do not price it lower than that. Now connect your PayPal or Stripe so you get paid instantly when someone buys. And again, if you don't want to create a product or connect payment method, I'll show you exactly how to bypass all of this. When you are done, click the button and copy your product link. Now here is how we get proven buyers to see what we are selling. Go to YouTube and create a new account. If you already have an age account, just edit it. Make the name related to the product. Change the icon to match your niche. Now open Canva again. Click on TikTok video template. Choose a video that match your product or use a luxury lifestyle video. You can download high quality videos from Pinterest. Use Canva color grading to darken the video slightly so your text pops. Then go back to ChatGPT and type, give me 10 proven text on screen hooks to promote this product. ChatGPT will give you 10. Copy and paste them onto your video. When you run out of ideas, just say, give me 10 more. It will keep going. Now upload this video on YouTube twice per day. Use very short title. I've noticed that when you use similar title consistent, YouTube tends to push the video more. You can also automate everything by creating 10 proven concepts, scheduling them for the week. This way you focus your energy on improving the product instead of stressing. But if you are serious and tired of watching endless videos without seeing real income online, I put together a beginner-friendly framework designed to help busy people start building real income online today, even without experience, no face showing, and no followers. If you are ready to stop learning and actually start building something real online, click the link in the description below and grab the framework and start now. And make sure to follow me for more profitable side hustle like this one.